gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and
IQOO 12 just launched before few days ago. Fast refresh rate 1.5K OLED display, Snapdragon flagship processor, superb in design, flagship camera setup and many more. Today I'm gonna show you detailed review of the IQOO 12, a flagship phone. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start with the design. The red color appears more vivid, unlike the Vivo X90. Instead, the back features vegan leather material with the wave-like texture. It feels raised and slightly frosted, adding a unique touch. The textures are layered on the plain leather, presenting a significant depart from the design of the Vivo X90. When compared to the previous model, the IQOO 11, there are noticeable changes in style. The square cloud module, which was present earlier, has been completely redesigned. Now it comes in a rounded rectangular and the module itself features a textures. The module is still placed on the left side, but this time the flash is positioned on the right side. The camera module is relatively larger and compared to the previous generation, the weight is also reduced. The phone weighs around 200 grams, while the IQOO 11 weighs 209 grams. Additionally, the thickness has been decreased. The IQOO 11s has thickness of 8.7 mm, whereas the IQOO 12 is even slimmer at 8.3 mm. Yes, the phone can be comfortably held. This time, the right angle frame design is introduced, a departure from the curved back design of the IQOO 11. The frame is almost flat, providing a more refined look. The front design imparts a flagship phone feel. Unlike the IQOO 11, there is no plastic bracket used between the screen and the frame, eliminating the cheap phone feeling. The screen is drop resistance, adding to the durability of the phone. The IQOO 11 had relatively larger bezels on the screen. However, when comparing it with the IQOO 12, the screen on the latter appears superior. The IQOO 12 also features a flat screen, and this time the bezels are thinner. The advantage of the flat screen is particularly notable in the gaming, as it reduces the chances of accidental touch that are more common with the curved screen. The screen incorporates a punch hole for the selfie. Looking at the top, you will find a secondary noise cancellation microphone and IR blaster and the top firing speakers. Unlike the previous generation, the IQOO 12 comes with the stereo speakers, making a significant design changes. Speaking of the display, it boasts a 6.78 inch 1.5K OLED display with a refresh rate of 144 Hz. In comparison, the previous generation features the Samsung E6 display with 2K resolution. While the resolution is lower this time, the text clearly on both phones is almost the same. Additionally, there is a difference in viewing angles between the two generations. In terms of viewing angles, the IQOO 12 improves up to a predecessor. The IQOO 12 improves upon its predecessor, unlike the IQOO 11, which exhibit a red tint when tilted a different angle. The IQOO 12 provides a better viewing experience. Both the phones have the same manual brightness level, reaching up to 600 nits in the actual test. Notably, the IQOO 12 Pro features the latest Samsung E7 2K display. I have already uploaded a detailed review video of the IQOO 12 Pro and you can find the link in the description section. Be sure to check it out. In the standard variant, this time you get an optical fingerprint sensor instead of ultrasonic, and the fingerprint position is slightly lower. The IQOO 12 Pro, on the other hand, features the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Perhaps in the next generation, the standard version might also incorporate the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. It provides a superb unlocking experience. This time, the most significant changes in the IQOO 12 comes in the photography. As you can see here, even in the standard version, there is a periscope lens, making a substantial improvements. So in terms of the camera experience, the standard version is expected to offer a similar experience to the Pro version this time. There are also improvements in the portrait photography. I will be bringing a detailed camera review soon, so stay connected with our channel. Now let's dive into the performance of the IQOO 12. IQOO 12 is equipped with the 8 Gen 3 flagship processor, along with the LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. I will soon be conducting a gaming test for the IQOO 12 to provide an insight into the gaming performance. In terms of battery and charging, the IQOO 12 supports 120-watt charging, a slight step down from the 200-watt charging in the previous generation. While the charging speed is a bit slower this time, it's still impressive. Talking about the operating system, the IQOO 12 runs on the Origin OS 4.0. In compared to the Origin OS 3, the UI remains largely unchanged. But there are improvements in the optimization. Changes are evident in the setting menus. With an expanded control center offering more options, there are extra row of shortcuts, enhancing the user experience. The overall performance of the OS is notably smooth with silky smooth animations. Even when multitasking with the multiple apps open simultaneously, the experience remains seamless. The IQOO 12 incorporates many features found in the Pro version. Speaking of the pricing for the IQOO 12, the base variant price start 3,999 Chini Yuan. You can show here the UK and US price. In conclusion, the IQOO 12 boasts a superb display and outstanding performance. The camera has also been elevated to the flagship level, but the charging speed has seen a reduction this time. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Realme signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah.